Okay, so if you're trying to log into a Google account, be it either through Stack Overflow or directly on Google, there are a couple of things that you can do to help avoid this. This browser or app may be insecure. Try using a different browser. Um, this comes up for various reasons. And the first thing I'm going to show you here is within the launcher itself. Let's scroll over here, and I'm using the portable Chrome. You're going to want to set this generic Chrome parameter. -- disable -- blank -- features equals automation controlled. What this does is it hides that it's using the Chrome driver, which usually tells Google that it's being automated. And then we're using Stack Overflow's Google login. Okay, so you can go ahead and use this example code, and I will have it with this video when it goes up. So let me bring this off screen here, and there's a couple of things that you need to do with the account itself. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here and go manage your account. Once here, you're going to go to security, and there's a couple things here that you want to make sure. Two-step verification is off, and less secure apps is turned on. You do that by right here, and then you could turn this off or turn this on. We want it on. Okay, that's going to allow you to SMTP into your email accounts, log in on the website, and so forth. This is a must. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You can't get around it. Less secure apps has to be turned on. Once you do this and you make sure that two-factor is turned off on your account, that sort of stuff, less secure apps, this shows on. It's going to give you this little exclamation point, tell you there's been security issues found on your account. Ignore it. It's still secure. They still need your login information. If the IP doesn't match that of ones you've used previously, it's going to block them from being able to log in anyways. So don't worry about that. This is for being able to remotely access or use a browser that's unknown to the login system. So once you've done all this, let me close this browser here and set my login. This is what will happen for you. Clean this up, launch my browser, and this is a Chrome portable session. So it goes to Stack Overflow, clicks on the login with Google, types my email, submits that form, types the password, submits that form. Now that I'm logged in, I can literally go to any Google property I want that's already been attached to the account. So this could be YouTube, it could be Gmail, whatever the case may be. I've set up the software in here to where it'll actually account for if it asks you what your recovery email is, it'll insert that as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and navigate to YouTube's Studio Manager. So as we see here, I'm already logged in because I logged in through Stack Overflow, and now I'm inside of YouTube Studio. So I'm already logged in. That's how you get around the Google login issues, and I'll have this example code available in the description here on this video. You'll find a link where you can get this code. Thank you.